And good morning, guys. I'm Eric with Posh Detailing, and this is Derek. Hey. We are working on a 2020 G63 AMG, and we are installing an FI exhaust.
This is gonna be so fun.
So fun. The stock exhaust sounds like this. Doesn't sound like much. It was warm. It does not sound very good. So now we're gonna open it up, and hopefully we'll get some better sound out of it. Let's go. Oh my God, it sounds so good.
That is excellent. I was a little concerned when we started it up with the valves closed because it was still kind of like stockish sounding. And as soon as we opened it up, it's like, oh my God.
Yeah.
It's rowdy.
It is rowdy. And that's not even the downpipes.
No,
which is crazy.
Literally just like 3 foot long section. It's nuts.
So right now we're gonna take it outside, we're gonna warm it up, and then we're gonna see how this thing sounds under load.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Let's go.